Namaste everyone. Welcome to Yoga with Amit. I'm Amit Namdev, and today we are going to do yoga twisting series which will help activating and stimulating your nervous system, therefore keep you young, stronger and healthy. So let's start. So come onto your mat and sit in Vajrasana. Then inhale. As you exhale, fold forward. Bring your right hand under the left. As you inhale, left arm up. Exhale, bring the left hand onto your back. Try give as much as stretch as possible. Keep your breathing normal. Then inhale, come back. Exhale, switch to the side. So left hand under the right. Inhale, right arm up. Exhale, bring your right hand onto your back. Give twist to your spine as much as possible and breathe. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release and lay onto your belly with your both arms stretched out. Feet about hip width apart, forehead down. Then inhale, lift your right leg up. As you exhale, drop the right leg to the left. Twist your body from waist area. You can adjust your head if you need to, either forehead on the ground or the side of the head. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release. Inhale, left leg up. Exhale, drop the left leg to the right. Adjust your neck and head to feel at your best. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release. Then bring the hands under your shoulders, feet about hip width apart, forehead down. Inhale, push with your hands, lift your head up, chest up, arch your back. Exhale, then inhale. As you exhale, twist to the right, look at your feet. Inhale back, exhale to the left. Inhale back, exhale to the right. Inhale back, exhale to the left. Exhale, release, come down. You can go ahead and relax in Makrasana for a few seconds and preparing for next asanas. Push with your hands, sit up, stretch your legs out, bend your right knee, bring the right knee either side of the left leg, grab your right leg with your left hand on the back. Inhale, lift your head and spine up, exhale, twist to the right, and then continue with your normal breathing. Inhale back, exhale, release, change leg. Bend your left knee, grab with your right hand, left hand goes back. Inhale, lift your chest and spine up. Exhale, twist to the left. Hold and breathe. Inhale back, exhale, release, Shake your legs and go into downward dog. Check your hands should be about shoulder width apart, legs hip width apart. Inhale, lift your right leg back up towards the ceiling and bring it down to the side. Then inhale, lift your left hand up and stretch the hand all the way back to give stretch and the twist into your body. Exhale, release. Go back into downward dog. Change the side. Inhale, lift your left leg up and bring the left leg to the side. Inhale, right arm up, stretching the right arm all the way back. Check your feet as you feel most convenient and comfortable. Listen to your body. Exhale, release. And lay down onto your back. Shake your legs. Bend your right knee. Hold with your hands. Then inhale, lift your head up. Exhale, touch your forehead to the knee. Exhale, drop your head down. Inhale. As you exhale, drop your right knee to the left. Look to the right. Inhale back. Exhale, release. Change your leg. Bend your left knee. Grab with your hands. Inhale. As you exhale, touch your forehead to the knee. Come down. Inhale. As you exhale, drop your left knee to the right. Look to the left. Inhale, come back. Exhale, release. Shake your legs. Then extend your both arms out, palm flat on the ground, and bend your both knees, knees together, feet together. Inhale. As you exhale, drop your both knee to the right, look to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, drop them to the left, look to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, drop them to the right. Inhale up. Exhale, drop them to the left. Inhale up. Exhale, release. Shake your leg. And feet apart, hands apart, palm facing upward the ceiling. Bring your awareness onto your breath and let go for a moment. Release and relax. Whenever you're ready, come back into your body. Begin to move your body. Feet together, hands up over your head. Give a good stretch to the body. Inhale and stretch. Stretch. Exhale and release. Take your time. Whenever you're ready, sit up. Thank you very much, whoever joined me in this practice, and I look forward to see you in my upcoming practices. Namaskar.